analyzing the proposed Biden tax increases. In the next few minutes, we will be discussing the proposed tax increases. We believe this is important to address this topic as it affects many individuals, including us. We have spent the past 2 weeks researching the details of the proposal and debunking misinformation. So, if you want to understand how these tax increases may impact you, keep watching. Please note that we will be presenting the facts without taking any political sides. Capital gains tax rate. One of the key aspects of the proposal is the increase in the capital gains tax rate to 44.6% for individuals earning over $1 million a year. Currently, capital gains are divided into short-term and long-term categories. Short-term gains are taxed as ordinary income, while long-term gains enjoy preferential rates. The proposed change would tax long-term capital gains at the ordinary income tax rates, resulting in a significant increase for high-income taxpayers. Additionally, the net investment tax would also increase to 5% for incomes over $1 million, bringing the total long-term capital gains tax rate to 44.6%. It is important to note that these rates only apply to federal income tax, and state taxes would be additional. Implications of the proposed changes. The proposed tax increases have sparked debates on various fronts. Some argue that long-term capital gains rates are currently too low and should be aligned with wage income rates. However, it is crucial to consider the reasons behind the preferential treatment of capital gains. Investing involves risk, eroded returns due to inflation, and the fact that investors are taxed on money they have already paid taxes on. Studies have shown that the optimal capital gains tax rate is around 28%, striking a balance between revenue generation and incentivizing investment. Other proposed changes. Apart from the capital gains tax increase, the proposal includes several other changes. These include raising the tax rate for individuals earning over $400,000 a year from 37% to 39.6%, implementing a 25% wealth tax on assets over $100 million, including unrealized gains, limiting the 1031 exchange to $500,000 per taxpayer, and increasing the corporate tax rate from 21% to 28%. Each of these changes has its own implications and potential impacts on various sectors of the economy. Likelihood of passage. While it is important to analyze the proposed tax increases, it is also crucial to consider the likelihood of their passage. Realistically, the current proposal is unlikely to pass in its current form. However, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act is set to expire in 2025, which means that changes to the tax system will need to be made. It remains to be seen what the final proposal will look like and how it will address the issue of government spending. Conclusion. The proposed tax increases have sparked debates and discussions about their potential impact. While the details of the proposal are subject to change, it is important to stay informed and understand how these changes may affect you. As with any political issue, it is crucial to analyze the facts, consider different perspectives, and engage in constructive dialogue. Ultimately, finding a balance between revenue generation and incentivizing investment is key to creating a fair and sustainable tax system.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.